County Jail. And the new DeKalb County Jail. Or I say new. Christmas Eve 2023. We've just gotten off of 285 at Memorial Drive. We were going to go through Avondale, weren't we? We still can. We'll turn up here at Covington Highway. We could have turned right there, actually. Turn right here. What are they building new there? Look at all of this, folks. I had no idea they were doing this stuff. These people coming from? I mean, this kind of stuff is all over Georgia. We're going to turn right on Covington Highway here, US 278. We could go straight into Avondale to Lake right here. Through Decatur, or do we want to cut back out and catch Memorial Drive and go down? You'll see the glare off the street and from the lights is starting to become an issue, especially in the rain. Avondale got their blue lights on down there, but they're not blinking. He may not know he's got them on. Okay, coming right into Avondale. Now I saw where they were going to be doing something down here. Making some kind of commercial or mall, walking and stuff. I don't know that the face of Avondale is going to change, but the composition is about to change. Now this will take us right by the original Waffle House. Now the Waffle House Museum. To the left would take us over to Belvedere, Columbia Mall, or what used to be Columbia Mall. Skip's Hot Dogs have been there a long time. And I think Hensler's was right here on the right. Used to be a big Avondale hangout. See here some more apartments off to the left and right. The ones on the left have been here a while. The ones on the right are pretty new. the Waffle House Museum right up here on the left. The very first Waffle House right here. Okay, we've got decision time. We're going to turn and head back out to Memorial Drive, or we're going to go through Decatur. What? Let's sort of skirt Decatur. We will stay on here. We will go out and cut through Kirkwood. Smith's Hardware used to be right there on the left. It's a very good hardware store. I think the original Sam's Crossing was right here, and it was moved back there to where it is now, I think. Some of this stuff I can't remember exactly. Austin's Car Wash was over there on the right. I heard Tommy Austin got killed in a knife fight out in Seattle. Does anybody have any other information on that? The depot is here on the right. Willie Bradford's barbershop was up here on the left. We used to come across the tracks, leave a penny, and get the train to crush our penny. I think a haircut was a dime. Agnes Scott here on the left. DeKalb Blocker plant was right there on the right. Across from where the fire station is now. Agnes Scott is here on the left. You see the Blair tunnel under the tracks right there. Decatur High School across the tracks on the left. Street, DeKalb Avenue is on the other side of the tracks over there. We could go into town there. We got our blinker on, we just turned it off. But yeah, I'm going to go through Kirkwood. Look at all this new stuff. Decatur is an extremely progressive, you like to use maybe their word. I have a different word for it. Extremely progressive city, and they are very proud of that. You probably ought to change their name to Seattle Southeast, or maybe Portland Southeast. think when we get to Memorial Drive, we will turn the video off. We'll be going up here and turning left. Yeah, see that glare the way it is? We could have gone Rocky Ford to the left. Out of the city of Decatur now. I assume we're in Atlanta city limits, but I don't remember for sure. There used to be a crossing right here before the MARTA. See the lights from the little Christmas tree on the dash. Is that distracting? Does that make the glare worse? I need to turn that off. I think I will turn it off. Here to Jose Williams, we could just go into Moreland on Jose Williams, turn right on Moreland, go past the Carolina shopping district into Little Five, then maybe out Highland. To Boulevard, maybe to North, and then 75, 85 out, or over the north side, and go out. We'll figure it out. We'll just do what we want to do, huh? We'll do what we want to do. It's been a long time, but I guess 30, 35, 40 years ago, well, you could have bought Kirkwood for a song and a dance. The whole place. What are you stopped here for? You are an out-of-state tag. I'll give you I'll cut you a little slack, but not much. Know where you're going, that's fine, but get out of the way. I get in that situation quite a lot, but I try to stay out of people's way anyway. You could turn right here and go up by the old Pullman company. Get over in our lane instead of the bike lane, but that let Speed Racer get by us. right. Southeast Atlanta. Get to Memorial Drive, we'll stop this one and start another one. I mean, not Memorial Drive, Moreland Avenue. Coming down pretty good now. We have one back there on us.